very smallest 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter cubes. If I threw that in paint, how many faces would be covered? Talk to the person next to you. So I'm hoping everyone got 6, right? Yes. So, then, you have the next stage. I'm going to call it a stage. It is the 2 by 2 by 2 cube. It's the larger one that is assembled out of the smaller ones. Okay? On that one, if you threw that in there, the paint only gets on the outside. If I break apart those cubes, how many of the faces on each cube would get paint on it? Talk to the person next to you. Go. Break it apart because you gotta break it up. If I break it
Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. We've phakathi more, which means 3, 2, and 1. The corners are going to be 2. And the middle ones is going to be 1.
This one gets paint. But what about this one right here? How many faces? 2. So this one gets 2 faces. This one right here just gets 1. So the thing is that how of this stage, stage 3, how many faces are just covered by 1? How many have just 2 faces covered? How many have 3 faces covered? This is a 3 by 3 by 3. Same thing. Talk at your table. How many of the cubes have 3 faces painted? Talk to each other at your table. Every cube has 8 corners. Ow, 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 ow. 8 corners. Faces are where these 2 are painted. Talk at your table.
5, 6, 7.
This one is a 3 face, right?
Yes, 2 faces. 2 faces.
1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If there's 1 in there,
He says 24. Talk at your table. What do you guys think?
What you doing?
Sorry, sir. When we did the 3 times 3 cube name, it was 12 name.
12 what?
12 faces. 2 faces. 12 2 faces.
12 2 faces. That's 2. In mathematics, we use precise language, and you're close. I know what you're saying, but there's another word. What are we going to use for this word in mathematics?
I times it with 2,
Okay.
and then I got 24.
Excellent. So she said that as it expands, there were 2 squares on that edge. And so she says 12 times 2, 24. Sweet! Now, check for understanding again. Does that make sense to you guys now? All right. There was only 1 cube. We can see that. To measure the dimensions of that cube, it's 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1 cube. And just without having to explain why, notice. Because again, sometimes it's just simply, a great thing about algebra is that you can just generalize very quickly. This one is 2 by 2 by 2, which equals 8. So without me building the next stage, what's the next group going to look like on the next bigger cube? Talk to each other. Duh, don't yell out. Talk to each other. Yep. 10. Why? Okay. But talk to them, actually. I understand what you're saying. Talk to them about it.
So what are your thoughts? What did you decide on this? The graph, okay? Okay. I also like the fact that they did add in the cubes on the top. If you had to suggest like writing for them, what do you think they should add for the writing? Okay. Did you add that to a sticky note?